Okay, here we go. I thought I'd do this video here of this cheaper box fan, the cheapest one in my collection. I gave one of my JC Penney 9700s to fellow fan collector ToryTheFanMan. And this is the one I got from him for it. I got this one for reasons. I don't know what yet, but I've always kind of liked these kind of fans, despite the fact it's got the stupid little tuna can motor in it. That'll eventually give out, and then I'll replace it with a Marco. But I kind of like this switch here, so nothing too fancy about the fan, really. Said it's a Galaxy. And significant rust throughout the whole fan. The whole fan is just covered in rust. From the inside out, it's covered in rust. But I have plans to paint this thing. I think I'm going to paint it white, because that's all I got. Anyway, the speeds are all messed up, so 3 is actually medium, 2 is high, and then 1 is low. So we're going to kick it off on high. With some pretty decent air. For a newer fan, anyway. Here's a medium. Low, which is super quiet. Can't believe it. Tory said it didn't work. The only thing that was wrong with it is one of the electrical connections fell out of the switch box. And I guess I just put that back in and fixed it, I guess. Back to high. It's a neat little fan for when I'm like doing like painting or ventilation. Of course, anything I don't do with this one here, I'll do with this one. Alright, this is the Galaxy box fan I got from ToryTheFanMan in exchange for my JC Penney 9700. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button right now.